The weather has been beautiful today, finally. So I figured I'd take the old skiff out again. Pup's been doing pretty good. Ain't you, Cody, huh? Yeah. Hoping for a bear, some nice pike, maybe even a moose. It's moose season. Holding a tag legally could shoot a bull. Boat's been running pretty well. So I figured I'd take it downriver for the first time. Meaning, if anything happens downriver, can't get back upriver. All the test runs, we went upriver. In case anything happened, we'd go downriver. Just floating back to the village. My high quality seat. Mint floors. Yeah, I leak water. Gotta pump it out. It's all good. Till we got about 15 miles downriver from the village. That low unit just burnt up. This is as fast as I can go. Just holding an idle here. I'll show you what it does when I give her a little bit. Not good. So we pulled over to the side of a slough. Got it tied off in the front and in the back. And we're just gonna give her a look. Should be able to get out a little bit just in boots. So we're gonna check the lower oil here. I don't have any gear oil on me, but I do have some just engine oil. And you know what? I'm just gonna throw that in because any oil is better than no oil at this point. Let's see what exactly happened. This bad boy is hot and shot, so we'll see what we can do to get ourselves back home. Still got about 12, 13 miles, so we'll be all right. Oh. A little mucky here. We'll be all right. Found some pretty cool wolf tracks right along the bank. There's that's my size 13 mud boot. Tony, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, sit. Sit. And there's a Cody compared to one of them. Hey, right here. Right here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, what's that? What's that? I'm walking up and down the shoreline, but... Well, we're still only got an idle. And there's a new element to this story. I got no power. So we're just gonna tootle on home. There's nobody at this camp. So we're just gonna keep on idling up river. We're definitely gaining ground every second, so we're just gonna keep on plugging away. We're doing all right. Came well prepared, no worries. Still a beautiful night on the river. We're still plugging along. Just over an idle. Rain started coming down, so it's not too beautiful, but we're still getting there. Non-stop. We're making it. We'll be there. Rain just passed. We're just cruising. Cody's a little chilly, but we got plenty of food and snacks, and we're almost there. Just got to figure out what's wrong with our prop and why we can't do anything more than just idle. This is how much light we got. 11 p.m. I still probably have about 2 miles right around the bend here. But it's getting hard to see. There's a little sandbar up there, and I know I got a cut bank over here, so both me and the pup are looking forward to getting back in. But never underestimate Mother Nature, the wind and the current. We are crawling back. Everything on the boat is running well, but the wind and the current, we are barely moving. Well, we just got loaded up here now at the landing. Beautiful moon, but the wind and the waves sure picked up. It was a pretty rough last couple hours home. All in all, it took me 30 minutes to get down to where I died, and it took me 6.5 hours to get back upriver. 30 minutes downriver, 6.5 hours upriver. But we made it. We made it.